Good morning, children. We have completed lesson number 4, that is Animals, Our Friends. You have read all the lessons. Now we have to do something to do ABC parts today. But before that, just revise it what you have read in this lesson so far. As the name of the lesson is animals. Animals means you must be knowing wild animals, pet animals, everything you know. Now they are our friends. We should not kill them. We should live with a feeling of friendship with our friends. And our friends are animals also. And we get various types of products from animals that you have already seen. This product is milk. Milk we obtain from which animal? Cows and buffaloes. Then this is honey. Honey from honeybee. Then these animals are used to pull the carts. They are also very important for us. Then various types of things we get from the animals like silk, wool. These silk and wool are used to make clothes. Then leather, which is used to make shoes, purses and bags. They are also obtained from the animals like goat, sheep and buffalo. We use pearls also as jewelry, and these are obtained from oysters. Then many types of seafood also we get. Which type of seafood? Fish, prawns, lobsters and crabs. Then some animals are used as means of transport. Which animals are used as means of transport? They are horses, camels, elephants, etc. Then some animals help us in search operations. They help the police. They assist the police in various search operations like dogs due to their extraordinary smelling powers. Then some animal waste like cow dung cake is converted. Cow dung is converted to compost, and cow dung cake is used as fuel in the village area. Then wildlife. Wildlife means in the previous lesson also we have read these are the wild animals. The animals which live in the forest are known as wild animals. These are wild animals you see. Monitor lizard. Then this is tiger. Then elephant, wild boar, giraffe and lion-tailed macaque. Then we also read about extinct animals and endangered animals. Extinct animals means those animal species which are no longer living on the earth. For example, which animals you can write? Tasmanian tiger, quagga, passenger pigeon, golden toad and Caribbean monk seal. These all the animals have already become extinct. Now come to endangered animals. Endangered animals means what? The animals who are in danger of becoming extinct. And which type of animals are in danger of becoming extinct? They are African elephant, Bactrian camel, bald eagle, golden lion, tamarin and panda. Here in this picture you can see endangered animals are given. This is African elephant. Then here tamarin. Then here panda. Then Bactrian camel. Then golden lion and bald eagle. Now we also read about Kenya's Masai Mara, which is one of the world's most famous wildlife sanctuary, and it was recently voted one of the 7 wonders of the natural world. Now some dangers of wildlife trade. I also told you about wildlife trade. What is wildlife trade? some animals are being killed because their body parts are used by humans, and it is only wildlife trade, and it is very harmful. Why it is harmful? Because this wildlife trade, because of this only, many animals are becoming extinct and their life is in danger. Like elephants are hunted for their tusk. You must have seen the tusk of the animals, which is used to make jewelry and decorative items. Then North and South American deers are also being killed for their gallbladders, which are then smuggled to other countries and used to make medicines. Then rhinoceroses are being slaughtered for their horns. They are grounded into powder form to make medicines. Then musk deer. Musk deer is becoming extinct. Why? Why it is being hunted? It is being hunted to obtain kasturi. And kasturi is used in what? To make perfume. Then a variety of mountain goat is also hunted because its hair yield a very expensive variety of wool. Then tigers. Tigers are killed for making use of their bones. Then legs of frogs are eaten as they are considered to be a delicacy. About 200 million to 1 billion frog legs are consumed each year. Then caviar, very costly delicacy, is made from unfertilized eggs of a variety of fish. Then we should protect wildlife or not? Yes, we should protect wildlife. We should conserve wildlife. As in the previous lesson we read that we should protect the forest. We should conserve the forest. That is only we should protect the wildlife, and for this our government has enacted one Wildlife Protection Act in 1972. Now food chain and food web also we read in this lesson. Food chain means it is a process of who eats whom. Here you have seen this food chain. Leaves, plants are always known as producers because they don't take help of others in making their food. They are capable of making their food by their own. But we human beings and animals are dependent on plant, whether directly or indirectly. Like here you see leaves are producers and we all are consumers. Leaves are eaten by caterpillar. Caterpillar are eaten by frogs. Frogs are eaten by snakes. Snakes are eaten by owl. This is only food chain. And about food web also I told you, in one food web so many food chains are there. In one food web, so many food chains are there. Here only you see 6 food chains are there in this food web. Here you see green plant eaten by goat, goat is eaten by lion. Then green plant eaten by goat, goat is eaten by jackal, jackal is eaten by lion. Again green plant eaten by rabbit, rabbit is eaten by jackal and jackal is eaten by lion. Then again green plant eaten by rat, rat is eaten by wildcat, wildcat is eaten by lion. Then again green plant eaten by rat, rat is eaten by owl. Again green plant eaten by rat, rat is eaten by snake and snake is eaten by eagle. So you see in this food web 6 food chains are there. 1, then 2, then 3, then this is 4, then this is 5 and this is last one 6. Now we should care for animals or not? Of course we should care for animals. And how we can prevent cruelty to animals? We should not throw polythene bags in the garbage because stray cattle can swallow them and they may die. Then do not put birds in cages and fish in aquariums. Leave them free. They feel trapped in small spaces and their lifespan gets reduced. Then when visiting a forest, park or garden, one should not remove eggs of birds from their nest. Then put some water in an earthen bowl and keep it outside, especially during summers. You will be able to see many birds coming there to quench their thirst. Then if you have pets, then give them love and good care. Then talk to your friends about how to treat animals and visit and support your local animal rescue organization. These are the keywords: drought animal, endangered, extinct, habitat, oyster, pollute, species, tusk, veterinarian, and the meaning is given here. Now let us start something to know. Although I will give you PDF, that is only your homework. A, B, C, you have to write it in your science notebook. And that PDF also I will give. But before that, you understand what you have to write here. First one is, we keep dash and dash as pets. What will be here? We keep birds and animals as pets. Second one is, dash assist police in search operations. What assist police in search operations? Dogs assist police in search operations. Then third one is, Kasturi is an ingredient of which deer? You have read now only. What you will write? Kasturi is an ingredient of musk deer. Then next is, dash of elephant have been used for making jewelry. You have seen that which part of the animals are being used for making jewelry? Yes, it is tusk. T-U-S-K. Extinction of frogs will increase whose population? Insect population. Here you will write insect. I-N-S-E-C-T. Then food chains are found in all habitat. H-A-B-I-T-A-T. So this is only first question, first fill in the blanks. Now B part. Here match the following. How you will write the answer? You will write this side, you will write the words, and the correct answer you will write in front of it. You will not draw the lines and do zigzag. Understood? You have to write correctly. First one is crab. Crab is what? How you will match it with what? Crab is a type of seafood. You will write here seafood. Means here you will write crab, put a small hyphen, and then you write seafood. Second one is oyster. What will be oyster? What you will write? Oyster, put hyphen, and here you write pearl. P-E-A-R-L. Then third one is ox. Again you will put here hyphen. What you will write? Pulling cart. Ox is being used in pulling cart. Fourth is mountain goat. Here what you will write? Mountain goat. Then put a small hyphen and then you write pashmina wool. Here what is? Bald eagle. Again put hyphen and what you will write? Endangered animal. So this is match the following. Now come to MCQ part. That is, tick the correct option. First one you see, a delicacy made from the unfertilized eggs of a variety of fish is the, four options are given, kasturi, caviar, pashmina, tusk. What will be the right answer? Yes, it is B number, caviar, C-A-V-I-A-R. Then second one is, which of these animal is extinct? Again 4 animals are given: bacterian camel, golden lion, quagga, panda. Bacterian camel, golden lion and panda. These 3 are endangered animal, and the extinct, they are in danger of becoming extinct. But quagga is extinct animal. It is no longer living on the earth. So what you will write in tick, where you will do? C. That is quagga. Quagga. Now third one. The body part of rhinoceros for which it is often hunted by human is? What will be here? Bones, horns, legs and skin. What will be here? Yes, horns. HORNS. Then humans are destroying habitat of animal by what? By planting trees, or by reducing water pollution, or by controlling wildlife trade, or by cutting down trees. Yes, humans are destroying habitat of animals by cutting down trees. You will tick here. Now fifth one. Which of the following food chain is correct? Leaves, frog, snake. Here caterpillar is missing. It is incorrect. Then grains, hen, man. It is correct. Hen eats grains and man eats hen. So this is correct. This is acorn, rat, eagle. This is wrong. Then plant, jackal, lion. It is wrong. So where you will put tick mark? In B number. That is grains, hen and man. So children, you understood this ABC part? That only you have to do it very neatly in your science notebook. PDF form also I will give you, and that is only your homework for today. In our next class, you will read the answers of D part. So that's all for today. Goodbye and thank you.